I noticed several things. Justin noticed several things. We got these little things. They're just kind of like, yeah, grounds going to some of them and hots going to others. It doesn't even look like a slow blow fuse or anything. I don't know what I'm really not sure what that is. But there is only one fuse on the bilge pump. Nothing's fused back here. And of course, grounds are. Look at that. Oh, there you go. The ground's loose. But there's grounds going up to here. Normally, the grounds have just been daisy chained to your brackets here. So yeah. Oh wow, those are. Yeah, they need ring terminals so that doesn't fall out and then lose your bilge pump or something like that. So there's kind of a bird's nest back here. We're missing a couple screws on the steering. There's two missing in there. Yeah. I refasten those. I have to dial them. Yeah, I'd say so. And back here, we went ahead and pulled the floor up. We're gonna clean all this before the engine goes back in. There were several wires. Here, that's the bird's nest that was back here in the back. Your generator wire, which would actually go up to the other side of your amp gauge. Generator wire was going back here and then up by the tank, down, or across here, then down, then back over, and then up. I don't know. And there's looks like two others maybe in that bird's nest that were just kind of, there was a couple that went up through the stringer, back up, across, down, through the stringer, and then tied up in a knot. I was just kind of, anyways, probably won't hurt to put a fuse block in. We can move, we're gonna move that fuel line too. I don't like how it's right up on the, I know we put the tank in, but we didn't have the floors up until up and out here, because this back floor comes down and across and then back up. So we could probably put it honest to goodness. Oh, I think that's just trying to protect. I think that hose. I don't know what the hose is on there for. Thought maybe I knew, but I really don't know. Of course, when this lays up here, this would be away from it. But I would feel better. I believe it's just there to protect it from the fuel line. But I'd feel better if the fuel line was actually coming down your side and then under the stringer, and not right up against the exhaust. You will have water going through there until you don't have water going through there. Pump fails or whatever. Anyways, just a couple things that I would address, especially up under the dash here.